say in September you have this child who's like, just really losing it and has a really hard time keeping it together. And they go and they run under a desk and they calm down and they won't talk. And you don't say anything to them. Sometimes you just sit there, you tag team with another person, you get your computer, do some work, but you just sit there. And when they come back around, you say to them, hey, take a walk with me before we go to lunch. But you don't start talking about the tantrum. You don't start talking about, what triggered the tantrum. You just move on. But you just sat there and you were quiet and you were just there for them. That's empathy. It's not something they're used to experiencing. But have you ever been in the situation where you've actually been conscious of the fact that by June, this child pulls it together in 10 minutes instead of 2 hours? Don't let anybody ever say to you, they're still having tantrums. If you've reduced that from an hour to 10 minutes, you are a rock star, okay? Because what they're learning is through your presence, they can be okay.